looking for a range or a kitchen to have more commercial style look, I recommend for you to take a look at the BlueStar. So BlueStar probably has one of the highest output BTUs in the market on the Platinum Series. Can go it's up to 25,000 BTU. Now BlueStar, you can get any type size from 24 all the way to 60 inches, and also you can have these fully customized with colors up to 1,000 colors, and also you can have up to 10 trims. So you can actually customize any color you would like. If you have a specific color, they can actually, if you get the code for that color, they can make exactly the color you're inquiring. Now, you can, on the ranges, you can get with the griddle, with the French top, with also the grills. Now, they're the first ones to have a true convection on the gas range. They're the only one in the market. Great news is that they're also going on dual fuel. So you can get the same ranges, I think up to 48 inches. You can get these on dual fuel. So now they just start selling by the end of this year. Also, you can BlueStar, you can get, they're the ones that also give you the option to get refrigeration with all stainless steel inside and metal, and also they'll be designed to actually put a chef pan inside. So they are one of the few built-in units that give you that option. Yeah, so this is BlueStar, and great product.